we've been having fun playing in front of the fireplace here this morning to stay warm, haven't we? It's about 9 degrees outside this morning. We were going to go fishing today, weren't we?
Yeah, but it's too cold.
It is a little too cold. I don't really want to go today.
Next time.
We will go next week, maybe. But we still have fish from yesterday that we have to get clean so we can have our big fish fry tonight.
Yeah, we're done doing it.
Yeah. Will you guys help Daddy get the fish prepared for the meal tonight? Will you help Daddy cook our meal tonight?
It's summertime. We can fish.
Yeah, well, we can fish in the winter too. But now we got to get ready. We got to have our fish fry. We got to get our meal ready. You want to help Daddy clean the fish?
Yeah.
Yeah? You want to help Daddy clean the fish, Zeke?
Yeah.
Oh, look, Zeke's already out the door. Says, I'm getting the fish. Bring one fish in. Let's see that fish.
Okay.
Get that big one. Go.
Okay, that big one.
He's gonna...
Really cold.
It's really cold. Yeah. And you think that's really cold?
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks really cold.
Take a picture of it. Catch a fish.
Well, you're going to catch a fish the next time we go. But, okay, let's go outside and get all the fish, and we'll bring them in and put them on the table, okay?
Okay.
All right. All right, you set it there. Okay. So we left our fish out on the ice, and they are frozen completely solid. So what we're going to have to do to have our fish fry tonight now is we are going to have to thaw the fish first. So we're going to put them in some hot water and see if we can heat them up real quick, get them clean and ready for the fry. Let's go get the fish.
Yeah.
Go get the fish. Oh, I tell you what, I have my shoes on, so why don't I get the fish, okay?
Yeah.
Yes, they seem to be well preserved. Yeah, hard as a rock. Okay. Now, who wants to help me put them in the hot water?
Me.
You? Okay, hop in here. You guys both want to help? Well, come on, hop up here. Yeah, there you go. Look at that. Zeke got the big fish. Okay, toss it in the water now.
Wait.
Okay, get all of them and put them in the water. Go ahead.
Okay.
Let's get it done quick.
That was ice.
They frozen in the bottom.
Uh-huh.
There you go. Very good. Okay, now we'll get them warmed up.
Not flopping yet, Dad.
Not flopping?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, get the fish moved over to the bowl now. They're ready. They're defrosted. Move them over. Good job.
Are they supposed to get defrosted?
All right, you guys can be my helpers. Come on up. Okay, let's count our fish first. Oh, yes, one fishy.
1, 2,
2 fishy.
3. I want to get the big one. 5, 6. I want to get the giant. 7. Hey, can you help me get the 9.
See?
10.
See?
I want 11.
See, we're counting the fish, buddy. Help us
12.
count.
14.
Try 13 next.
15. 16.
Okay, something in that range, okay? Little incision right there. And then we're gonna trace along the spine. And Daddy's just showing you.
Yeah.
And then we go down the spine, and then we're gonna push it out the bottom once we get right down next to that little fin there. And then we go out to the tail, but don't cut all the way through the end of the tail. You wanna leave a little bit of meat there, because then, I'll show you why in a second. So then we reach up in here and we just release all this meat. Now, you got a handle.
Dad,
See, because we didn't cut it all the way off.
Dad, I can't see your hands as a
Well, you can step up, stand up or something. Okay. And then that's a little piece of meat for us.
Dad, can I have the meat?
Hey, guys. We're gonna try something. We're gonna experiment with cooking our fish in ghee. It has a higher smoke point than butter, a little lower than most oils, so we'll have to be careful. It has a higher smoke point than olive oil, though. So I think that it'll be an interesting project. So we're gonna see how it goes. With the ghee, we are gonna have to heat it up a little bit to get it out of here easily. So I'm just gonna microwave it, and then we'll just has to be a little bit warmer than room temperature, and it'll turn to liquid, and we can pour it in and it'll operate like a cooking oil then. The ghee is homemade. It's basically clarified butter. It's a butter with the milk fats removed. So we made a big batch of it about 8 months ago, and this is our last jar. So if this goes well, we'll be making some more. The Andy's red. We'll be breading it with. Little trick I picked up on a fishing trip. We didn't have any milk. Beer works just fine for the batter, or for the wet part of the batter. So, one for you, one for me. And we whoop it up to a beautiful frothy mess. And you can use just straight eggs too. That works better, I think, if you're doing multiple layers of breading. Here's our beautiful fish fillets. Gorgeous. You know, pretty good day fishing considering we had kids with us the whole time. Didn't get to, did a lot more parenting than fishing, really. So that's a big win. Here is the ghee. We will see how this works. Hello, ghee. You will be well, what the hell? Save a little bit. Just a little bit for breakfast. Simple 4-step process to breading the fish. Step 1, take a drink. Step 2, throw the fish in the batter or the egg wash. Step 4, throw it in there. Repeat. 1, 2, 3. I don't know. And 4. And repeat. So the ghee is smoking at a lot lower temperature than I expected, so this will be interesting. We're going to see if we can get them fried around 225. So that's what's happening. Hello, fishy. What you doing? That looks beautiful, doesn't it?
It looks really good.
We normally use peanut oil or canola or vegetable oil, but the ghee was I honestly started thinking this wasn't going to work. It was kind of an experiment here, so I started thinking it wasn't going to work. But now that because it was smoking at such a low point, but now that we got started on it, I really like the way it's getting a nice gold color on it. So never mind. You gotta watch. My kids switched my thermometer to Celsius, and I thought, my gosh, this is smoking at 200 degrees. I couldn't believe it was starting to smoke already. Never mind. That was Celsius. Stinking Celsius. It is really snowing. We got a blizzard. The tent's holding up good. I might have to go knock the knock the snow off of it. Hey, pretty. I got kind of big ears. Do you think this hat makes my ears look big? Oh, beautiful. Okay, sweetheart. Yes, little lady. Oh, careful, that's hot. It's fish.
Oh.
Here,
It
come here.
smells
Look.
like shrimp.
Yeah, it does, doesn't it? What do you think? You want to eat some of that?
No.
You don't want to eat the fish?
No.
That's the fish we caught.
No.
You helped me clean that fish. You don't want to eat the fish? What if I told you you kind of have to eat the fish? Because it's dinner.
No, eat those.
Well, that's the fish, silly. So this is the fish right here, see? See, that's it. This is it cooking. Ah! Ah!
It's a crab.
Oh, is that a crab?
Yeah.
I like it.
Yeah.
All right, we're all done. Golden, crispy, wonderful bluegill that we caught through the ice yesterday. Annika, I want you to try the bluegill and tell me what you think, okay? Tell me if it's good.
It's good. The taste is like chicken.
It tastes like chicken?
Yeah.
Oh, that sounds pretty good. So you like it?
Yeah.
Would you recommend it to a friend?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Perfect. All right, Hunter, taste test. Bluegill we caught through the ice yesterday. You caught most of these.
I didn't.
Well, you caught a bunch of these.
Four.
You caught 4 of these. Okay, so take it. Take a bite and tell me if it's
Tastes like chicken.
That's fun. That's what Annika said. So, would you recommend it to a friend? Is it the best bluegill you've ever had?
Probably.
Okay. Okay, Zeke. I want you to try it. This is the bluegill we caught through the ice yesterday, okay?
Oh.
I want you to take a big bite. Tell me what you think.
It tastes like it tastes like bait.
What's it taste like?
Bait.
Like bait?
Yeah.
It tastes like bait? You know what? When we go catfishing, that is bait. We use big bluegills when we go catfishing. So, would you recommend it to a friend?
Yes.
Is it the best bluegill you've ever had?
Yeah.
Yes. Delicious. Okay. All right. So, Rach, hang on. We got bluegill caught through the ice yesterday.
Yeah.
Take a bite. See what you think.
That's really good.
Is it good?
That's
Can
really
you
good.
tell a difference in the oil we cooked in it? Was it cooked in the
It's
ghee?
a better taste.
It does, is it? I haven't
Much
tasted
better
it yet,
taste.
so
Yeah.
I was really excited to see how it
It's a much better taste.
crisped up though.
Yeah, it's nice.
Would you recommend it to a friend?
Yeah,
Is it the best bluegill you ever had?
it is.
All right. Well, I'm gonna try it out myself now.
It's root beer.
It's nice and crispy. It didn't burn very easily either. So second round, when you fry, a lot of times the second round, you start to get little burn chunks from the first batch, and we didn't have that problem. So, oh, I would recommend this to a friend. Delicious. That was on point. Ice fishing yesterday, eating fish today.
It's really good.
Mmm.
Actually, I don't want to share because it's so good.
I don't want to share either.
Me either.
All right, guys. Well, let's enjoy dinner, everybody.